Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a fresh take on a look I did last Halloween. It was a glitter bunny, but this year I am doing it like it is crying glitter because I mentioned something about it in the video last year. So now I'm gonna do it. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start with my white base as usual. My skin is already done and my eyebrows are done. So I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of the white NYX base with my finger. So for the crease, I'm going to go into the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to take color Cavity, which is the bright pink, on a Sigma pencil brush, and we're going to put this in our crease right on the bone. Now I'm going to take my Delium Tools blending brush and we're just going to blend out the harsh edges. Now I'm going to pack O Positive onto the lid. Now I'm going to take a thin brush like this and white face paint, and we're just going to paint it on like we're cutting the crease. So now we have that winged out, I'm just going to do a regular black liner on the lid. When I'm using the Ico I Do Liquid Liner. In the waterline, I'm just going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 pencil in Woodstock. Now I'm going to draw my little whisker area with some white paint. I did this last time I did this look. Just kind of adding it, and this brush does have a little bit of black on it, but that's okay since we're a gray bunny. There might even be a little bit of black paint in here, but we're just gonna make it look fluffy and whiskery out on the sides like this. I'm gonna separate it right here, and just like in the last one, we're gonna fill in the top lip and then fill in all this here. And then I'm taking a little bit of black and separating this here, and then adding a little triangle of dots where like whiskers would grow out of. And now I'm going to take a little bit of white and black and mix it together. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this gray and we're just going to paint on a nose. I'm just going to add a few gray little whiskers coming out from here. And then we're going to do what we did last year and add some little gray fuzz above the eyebrow, just to make them look really bushy and kind of furry. For the last step, we're going to take some of the Too Faced glitter glue, and we're going to put this right where you would kind of have tears come if you cry. So right in the inner tear duct area. Taking a small flat brush, I'm just going to dip into this glitter. It's called Gleam from Sin Cosmetics. And we're going to pack that on and have it come down like we're crying. Alright, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this new spin on a look I did last year. And make sure you guys subscribe on your way out. Bye!